Hi guys, welcome back to my tech channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I highlight and contour. So we're going to start out with the brows, and I'm using the Ka-Brow by Benefit, and we're just going to fill in our brows. I'm using short strokes when I fill the brows in, just so it won't look so solid and it look like a real brow. We're going to do the same for the next side. It really doesn't matter how it looks when you're filling them in, because you're just going to go behind it right with the concealer and clean that up. So now we're using the NARS Creamy and Radiant Concealer and cleaning up our brow. I love this brush by Jaclyn Hill from the Eye Master collection. It's like the bomb. So then we're going to take that concealer down to the eyelids, because we're not going to be using any eyeshadow primer in this look. Then we're just going to use a fluffy dome brush to blend it out. Next, we're going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and use it for the top of the eyebrows. Just to define the top, and we're going to use a darker shade. I'm pretty sure this is the color Toast, if I'm not mistaken. This retails for $3.99 at your local beauty supply. I messed up right here, so I had to go back with the Ka-Brow and just fix that little mistake. Oh, there we go. We're going to blend that up into our forehead, and we're going to just fix the little patches that we missed. So next we're going to come to the other side and do the same thing. Now that we're finished with that, we're going to use the Amazonian Clay by Tarte and put it on our face, because this is the foundation. This is my favorite foundation. I forgot to put the primer on, but always use primer guys. So then we're just going to blend that out with the whatever brush by Jaclyn Hill from the Face Master collection. Then we're going to go down our neck, because we don't want our face a different color from our neck. We try to match the foundation to our neck. That's the most important thing, because you don't want to have a mask on. Next, we're going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and we're going to start applying our concealer to our under eyes. And I like to make sort of a triangle sort of shape under my eyes, like a sausage triangle, if you know what that means. and we just take it up to the jaw. I'm at the temple. I like to go down the side of my nose because it makes, when you contour your nose, it makes your nose look slimmer. And we're going to go down the center of our nose, but I don't go between the eyebrows because I don't want the concealer to get on our eyebrows. Then we're going to go on our lips and our chin. We're going to use a beauty blender by Eco Tools to blend that out. Guys, never mind my hair. Look, I didn't have enough time. I'm just trying to get this up here because I'm about to go get some food. So yeah, my hair, makeup got in my hair, but I promise you that I got it out before I left out the house. And I put on mascara. I had a $30 camera lights action or whatever by Tarte, and I cannot for the life of me find it. I let my son play with it. I know that was the wrong move, but you know, he run me, he get whatever he wants. So then we're gonna go on the forehead. And I don't like to put much on the forehead. Look, I gotta pull my nose over because my nose is just so big. I gotta make sure it's all everywhere. Okay, so after we finish with the first concealer, we're going to use the second. It's the Tarte Shape Tape Double Duty, and we're just going to put 3 dots on our eyes just to lighten the under eye area, because I like snatched and highlighted. Then we're just going to blend that in with the Beauty Blender. I love putting on concealer when I don't have eyeshadow on. I can just go on the top of my eyes. I don't have to concentrate so hard. Okay, so next we're going to use the Laura Mercier setting powder. And we're not going to bake with this, we're just going to apply it and wipe it off in real time. I'm pouring some in the cap because it's just easier to scoop it up with the brush. And I'm just going to go under my eyes with a dull brush by Jaclyn Hill. I love this look. When they said this was the best setting powder, they did not lie. I love this setting powder. I'm surprised it's not gone. It should be soon. I used to use the Bare Minerals setting powder. And now I switched to this because this is the bomb fucking diggity. And I'm going up my nose because I get really oily, especially because I don't have a primer on. So next we're going to use the bronzer by Too Faced. It's called Chocolate Gold Soleil. And we're going to use a fluffy angle brush by Jaclyn Hill. And this, look, I don't know how to feel about this because look, it's just nothing. It's just not barely there. That's what it needs to be called, barely there. I guess it blends everything in, but it's supposed to be a bronzer. I might be too dark for it. I just used it on my clients. Let me take this scarf off. Hold up. Oh girl, I look like that girl X-Men. I need to get this makeup on my hair, but anyway, we're gonna move on to the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish look. This is my new shit. I love this look. I love this look. How it's just shining. Oh yeah. Anyways, we're gonna put that on the balls of our cheeks. Not balls, apples of our cheeks. We're gonna put it down our nose and on our forehead. Next, we're going to use the Anastasia Contour Kit, the powder, and we're just going to go on our cheeks under where we put that highlight. And on our forehead, I like to cover up most of my forehead with this because I don't like a big, bright forehead. And then we're just going to push that in and we're going to go to the next side. So we're going to use the Anastasia blush kit and we're going to swirl in each shade, but we want more of that orange on there. Then we're just going to push it into our cheek. Oh, that looking sexy. So next we're going to use that medium sort of tan shade and go under where we put the blush, just to carve our cheekbones out. Then we're going to take the darkest shade and we're going to clean up the chin area with the darkest shade and go under the chin. So next we're going to use the darkest shade and we're going to go down the sides of the nose and under the nose, just to contour it and make it look small and snatched. We can even go over the top of the eyebrows to get the eyes some, top of the eyelids to get the eyes some depth, and under the lip to make the lip, bottom lip and top lip look bigger. And then we're going to use a lighter shade around the same color as my concealer to clean up the nose area. Ooh. So then we're going to wipe the product off our lips. And wait, I need to put on setting spray. So we're using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set and got it in my eye. And then we're going to use the D-Slit by Urban Decay.